Y'all ever booed your neighbors? Okay, so here's the thing. How you boo your neighbors is basically kind of like a secret Santa, but for Halloween for your neighbors. So you put together a little treat basket or gift or whatever, and put a sign with it that explains what you're doing, and you leave it at a neighbor's house and you don't tell them who it's from. And basically the sign and the directions say you have to sort of pay it forward and do the same thing with another neighbor. So here's what we did recently in our neighborhood, because they don't, to my knowledge, nobody does that here. So we decided to start it as a tradition here. So this is some of the little things that we put together, just little itty bitty gimmies. I mean, we didn't spend a whole lot because we did like 7 houses. So we kind of stuck with the baking bits and little housewarming scents and that kind of thing. So easiest way to do it is get some downloadable printables. You can get those on my website. And we have tags and the sign and the directions, all 3 in one download. So you can do that. And then just grab, some packaged candy, a couple of little gimmies. I think it's really cute if you have a nice little bucket or a small, like a pumpkin, like a trick-or-treat pumpkin, like a miniature one of those, or even just a treat bag works as well. But then go ahead and cut your little tags out, get some fun ribbon, and just kind of foofy it up and get it ready to deliver it out in the neighborhood. So this is what we did. We got all of this stuff that you see in this right here is from the grocery store. This one right here was grocery store and Home Goods and Daiso. So anyway, once you get it all together, go sneak around to your neighbor's house and leave it for them to find. Happy Halloween.